Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 3035D tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 300E front-end loader. The bucket on the loader here is quick attach, John Deere style hookup. Tractor has just under 70 hours on it. It's in like new condition. Has the balance of the factory warranty that'll go right with the machine. These D series are gear drive, so you have 4 gears over here on the right, and then 2 ranges over there on the left, and then your shuttle up on the dash. So you've got 8 forward and 8 reverse speeds. R4 tires, and again, obviously the tractor looks practically new. We do take trade-ins. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. Also do offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.